Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit Reveal and Inspiration. And boy, do we have a doozy for you. If you like to try new techniques, this kit is definitely for you. I am going to start off with our beautiful 6x8 stamp set, and this is Sketched Flowers. It has a really nice spray of flowers plus some individual ones, and also messages that have two parts to them. So it's a hand-scripted message along with a small greeting. The open flowers are perfect to use with watercolors or Copic markers. We've also added in 3 exclusive Gina K designs, and these are foil cards. So these can be used with your foils and a laminator. They have flowers and greetings on each of the cards. To go with your foil cards, we have also included a 12-pack variety of the Simon Says Stamp exclusive Gina K Designs fancy foils, and these are autumn colors. So I have all the colors in rolls up at the top, and you can see that they're really beautiful fall colors. So you get 12 sheets. There's 6 colors in total. They are 6 by 8 inches in size, exclusive for Simon Says Stamp. We've also included a new item for Simon Says Stamp, and this is Yupo paper. These are 5.5 by 8.5 inches, and you get 3 sheets in this kit. And these are really great to be used with your alcohol inks. So also in this kit, we have 3 alcohol inks from Tim Holtz in Sunset Orange, Stream, and Sunshine Yellow. You'll also get a full-size alcohol lift ink pad to go along with your alcohol inks and Yupo paper, which you can use with your stamps. And finally, included in your kit are cardstocks in peacock, bright yellow, and burnt orange, and those are 8.5 by 11, 100-pound Simon Says Stamp cardstocks. I have a lot of inspiration to share with you. This first card I've made where I've created a background using the alcohol inks. Then I used the lift pad to lift up the flower images from the background. Once the ink was dry but yet tacky, I laid on a sheet of foil and rubbed on with my finger, and when I lifted it up, the foil sticks to that tacky ink. Cindy Norberg created a beautiful card where she stamped and embossed the flower images and greeting with rose gold embossing powder, and then she watercolored in her flowers. She also distressed the edges and created a few splatters. Heather Hoffman used the Gina K foil cards and used her laminating machine to run it through with some foil. She also used the remaining foil and put black paper behind, so she makes 2 cards out of 1. And finally, Jen Shirkus had an alcohol inked background, and she used the alcohol lift ink to lift up the color and stamped onto her card. I hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough of this amazing kit from Simon Says Stamp called Sketch Flowers. Remember that we have additional inspiration on all of our social media outlets and also on our blog. As always, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy.